2026 is the year we're going to scale. We've been investing for the last several years, and over the course of this quarter, in a really disciplined way, we're taking those investments and leverage them to be able to launch our second generation hardware in Q2. This is exciting. It fortifies our supply of trucks with our new truck platform, sets us up to scale to 200 trucks by the end of the year, and be operating across the Sun Belt without an observer on board. Our second generation hardware is brand new. We've tested it out to 1 million miles, really increasing the reliability and availability of that system. We were able to pack all that into this hardware kit while also reducing the cost of it by about 50%. We've been talking about drivers as a service as the business model we want to get to, and we're excited to announce that we have a 500 truck MOU with one of our large customers. It's a really exciting multi-year deal for us that has the potential to be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. This deal is a milestone on our transition to drivers as a service. It's a big first step for us on that path. Our march in converting customers to be operating driverlessly continues. We're excited to announce that we have 2 more customers who've converted to driverless operations. That brings us up to a total of 7 large customers who are excited to be operating driverlessly with Aurora. We continue to expand our route network. We're now up to 12 routes. Dallas to Laredo is our newest driverless route. We're able to stand it up from first operation to driverless in about 6 weeks. We've also added a lane from Dallas to Oklahoma City in conjunction with Volvo Autonomous Solutions for one of their big customers. We continue to demonstrate how we can open the most critical freight arteries in America, aligned with how our customers need them. We have been investing and putting in place the strategic partnerships and the strategic programs so that we're set up to go and scale and build this year, and we're going to see that happen. We're excited to have a really robust vehicle platform roadmap. It's up for the trucks. We're working with Roush. There, we're going to be able to produce 1,000 trucks a year, and over time, we'll be able to even scale that further if we need to. With Volvo, we're planning hundreds of trucks in 2027, and we've already started to assemble these vehicles at their pilot line. We continue to make strong progress with PACCAR. Together, we're building a roadmap to be able to deliver our third generation hardware kit on the line at PACCAR's facilities. To deliver all this, we put in place an incredible supply chain. Our 3-way partnership with Aumovio and NVIDIA continues to make great progress. We're excited to see SuperThor coming along. That's an important part of our computer for our third generation hardware. Excited about the progress Aumovio's been making. They've broken ground to expand their new Braunfels facility. That's where the Aurora Driver is going to be assembled, up to scales of tens of thousands of units. We're seeing great momentum on the regulatory front, both at the state and federal level. California has just passed a watershed moment where they've passed regulation that allow autonomous trucking in the state. The regulatory progress in California opens a seamless coast-to-coast network for us and unlocks 60 billion miles of addressable market by 2028. We end Q1 in a great financial position with $1.3 billion in liquidity. We continue to expect $14 to $16 million of revenue this year, which would be a 400% growth year over year. As we scale through 2026, we expect to end the year with an $80 million revenue run rate in our DaaS business. That puts us in an incredible place to move into 2027 and really see the benefits of our DaaS business take off. At Aurora, we're building a safer, stronger, and more resilient freight ecosystem. Autonomous freight represents a step change in what's possible for global logistics. With a clear roadmap, deep partnerships, and an accelerating industrial engine, we're positioned to lead this evolution. The future of freight is on the road, and Aurora is setting the pace.